going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today, as the title and the thumbnail suggests, we got the bike on the dyno. Going to do a quick back-to-back on stock exhaust versus aftermarket exhaust. Just going to do a couple of back-to-back pulls with the stock one, swap it out, let it cool off and put the aftermarket one on them, run it up again and see what the difference is. Stay tuned. Alrighty, well that was unexpected and rather impressive. So we've got 90 horsepower and 220 newton meters. For you Americans, that's 164 foot-pounds. Kilowatt, so 67.6 kilowatt. I'm rather impressed with that. I was expecting more like 60 horsepower, not 90. So all right, I'll let it cool off. We'll throw, actually, let's have a look, see what the fueling was doing. So it rolled into it, kind of 11.3-ish, leans off in the middle and gets rich again at the top. It looks like it uses, so that would have been it pulling fuel for the RPM limit. What RPM do we get to? So it looks at about 9.5. It pulls fuel and tries to slow the engine speed down. So it didn't quite get to 10,000 RPM. Alrighty, but yeah, I'll let it cool off, swap the pipes over, and we'll try this again. Okay guys, before we get into some sound clips and some flybys and stuff like that, we'll do the final numbers. So peak gain was a 92, so 92 and a half, so yeah, 2.5 horsepower untuned as well. So we're still running the factory calibration. We do have a Woolwich tuning kit coming, so we'll be able to throw it back on the dyno and actually make some adjustments to gain that gain every little bit we can. So at the top end, it's 4 Newton meters, 2.5 horsepower. Whether or not that's fillable, I doubt it. But what we can notice is that instead of it rolling up and then straight over of torque, it comes up and holds the whole way along before it hits fuel cut and starts to limit the RPM. Same with horsepower. It's just nice and steady. Comes up quicker and then holds all the way to red line where it starts to pull fuel again. So I'm pretty happy with that. We'll get some sound clips sorted for you, and that'll be it. Thanks for watching.